Hello folks, hope everybody's doing well today. Today's Friday for you all, it's Thursday for us. Just got done getting some hay put up out there. It went good, knock on wood. This is my Father's Day present. Now, Craftsman is not one of our sponsors, but when we find a good deal, Daniel got me this for Father's Day. Now, he talked about it the other day about the deal. The weed eater, leaf blower, or battery starter kit is $99. Now, you buy this, you get this for free. If you can see this here, there's a choice of 14 tools. That there sale is going on till July 10th, and we thought here before Father's Day, people might want to go get their dad something like this here. We'll have Carolyn leave the link in the description, and it'll have all the different tools that you can choose from. I'm pretty sure Daniel said 14 tools you can get. This one does not come with the battery. This one comes with the battery and charger. These do not, but you can use the battery from these on these. While we're on here, I'm going to wish everybody a happy Father's Day this weekend. Hope y'all have a great weekend. The day didn't start off the best. Well, let me slide this. Thank you, Dan.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Had to stop saving store and buy some of this stuff here. It's hot. We don't have air conditioning. But here in this old house here, we really haven't never needed an air conditioner, except for it gets hot air in the kitchen when Carolyn's a canning or something like that there. But we had all the windows opened up. There's an old fly flying around. And we woke up this morning and a skunk somewhere outside had sprayed, and that filtered into the house. It got on my cooler and everything, and so I went to work smelling like a skunk. I got a shower and everything this morning there. Clothes must have had done, when it come in the wind, I done have my clothes laid out for work. Got on them. So, and I'll tell you now, our noses, ever since we had that C virus, a lot of our smell never did come back. And but this was strong enough at times of day I could smell it, so it's pretty bad. So, getting ready, go in here and take another shower. A buddy of mine at work told me to buy a Shout. That would get the skunk spray out. I've sprayed my cooler down with it already. And the clothes I had on today, we're just going to go ahead and throw them in the washer. And I'll let you know how this stuff works here too. I got this sprayed all the furniture and the beds and everything. So hopefully that'll take care of that. Folks, I'd like to thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all have a blessed day and a blessed weekend. Stay safe. Watch out for the idiots out there. Take care. To all the dads out there, happy Father's Day. Lord willing, be seeing you Monday. Have a great weekend.